What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You don't know J.A. And today we're gonna make a cake. Me and my cousin them, as you can see them excited, them ready. So we're match up that now, so just stay tuned on what you're going and make sure if you like, share, subscribe. So first thing is just put some sugar in this bowl. Sugar, not flour, sugar.
Sugar. No sugars. No.
Don't put too much in there.
No more.
Put more. Yeah, hold on, you need more.
More?
Let's put everything like that. Feel like it's a cake. Alright, don't play right now. Alright, Jesse. Next thing, no, not flour. Butter.
Butter. I'm going to use the spoon and scoop it to just take it
No,
off.
but me not put too much. Wait, Jesse. Not like that. You have to put more.
More.
Yeah.
Scoop.
Alright guys, wait. I'm gonna get this done and then check it back. Yes, as well. Alright, next step, you have to mix it. Take your time and mix it. Take your time.
Yes.
Yeah? No, not like that. Alright, let me show you. Hold the camera. Mix it. Mix it raw.
What?
Mix it aggressively. Yeah. And continue mix it. Mix. Yes, You're done? You're not done yet. You have to mix. You're not done. Mix it. Mix more.
More?
Yeah, you have to mix till it look like a paste.
Yes.
Ah, Jason. This is the way I do. Ah, no help, bro. Hold on, Thomas. No, sir. You have to mix out fully. See the people? Oh, yes, yeah.
Well, I want to block.
Wait, don't break none. Just hold on, Thomas. Wait, don't break none. She well eager to make them now. Alright, hold on to the fire. This is your one.
This is mine and this is yours. This is mine, okay?
Alright. So, I had to do that and catch in the back. So, time to put egg. I want to put one egg at a time. Oh, tap. Alright. Open it. Take your time, open it. Alright. See that?
Yeah!
Alright, so don't mix it yet. I'm not eggshell now.
Yeah. So we're going to start with the eggs.
What are you doing now?
That's. Wait.
Can you help me now?
No. It's pretty. I'm going to make a heart.
Let me see. Mix it.
More.
No, mix it.
Look, let me all your hands. I do like this.
Alright guys, so I irrigate the flour. It's gonna take a while to do it. Because come here, I put too much flour in this drain.
Big
Let's
small.
strain it too. Let's strain it come like cheesecloth. Nah, come on.
Now come on. Hold it. grab
Here's
the
a different
fork.
strainer. Hopefully we can get it done this time. Come on.
I'm going to mix it. I don't know mix. I don't know mix.
Mixologist. Something mix up. Just mix it all, you know.
So I got it. Dun-dun-dun.
Come on, peeps. So, catching what you said.
And the
This our
mouth.
left. So, see the peeps. Well aerated. So, you know, so you can make the cake good now and it have a fluffy texture. Right? Right?
Yes!
Junior chef, listen up, people.
Yay!
Yeah.
We're going to serve it today.
Alright guys, so we'll add the next egg to the sugar and the butter. And we'll get that mixed out. JC will mix it out. So yeah, when she done, you know, we can add dry and wet butter together. You're not done mix JC, mix more. Alright, we'll get with vanilla.
I like banana.
Alright, mix it up like this.
I like banana. I like that.
Yo!
It's sticking my hands out.
Alright guys, so JC I mix on the butter, but you know the pan's supposed to dry, but that's my fault. So I'm just gonna do it JC.
It's sticking my hands. Wait a minute.
No, it's supposed to stick. Just rub it on the edges too. Use your whole hand. Use the palm hand. Use the palm.
This?
This. Yeah.
Come some more, baby. Come some more, baby. Rub it wrong. Rub it wrong. Up here, so rub it. Rub. Nice, my daughter. Nice. Good job.
Alright, so meanwhile, them go and do this. I'm gonna just preheat the oven.
No! Oh! No! Oh my gosh.
You want to taste it?
Yes.
Dip your finger on the spoon. Not on the spoon. That's too much of that, you know? It tastes what? You sure? It's a hard no, no, Jason. Look. What you do? Look. You ready? You're going to take this and you're going to show it in that. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Jason. Take your time, Jason. Wait. Jason. Oh no. Jason, drop it. Alright, peeps. So what we are going to do now? We try to get out some of my bubbles. Yeah, I just drop it at every same speed. Whoa. Yeah. Alright, so catch you back when time is done. Yes, my people.
Voila. You ready? Eat. Like it. Alright. Yes, that's all.